Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclop. In this video, we are discussing question number 1 to 6 of gender studies. If you want these answers, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, and WhatsApp number is 900-936-8238. Here, question number 1 to 6, which is all are about 40 to 60 words. Question number 4 and question number 5, which is 100 to 150 words, and question number 6, which is a project based question and you need to write in the 500 words. If you want these, you can contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. All the chapters are given in front of the questions. For this you can take help from all the for the questions. And here, thank you so much for watching. If you have other queries, you can contact anytime. Thank you.